How to start a Forex trading business without trading yourself. Hello, this is Colin Brazenbow, and in this video I want to show you how I got started building my Forex trading business online. Forex trading is much easier than before because we have robots and copy trading programs available. You don't have to make the trading decisions yourself anymore. You don't need the skill of top traders to earn above average returns anymore. You simply need to copy proven, successful robots. A Forex trading business is easy to run with low overheads and many benefits. Forex trading gives you time and location freedom. You can check out your Forex trading business while you are at work or on holiday from anywhere in the world. I want to introduce you to Link to Success copy trading service. Link to Success has made this possible for us. They have more than 100 robots that you may copy. They all have proven and successful track records. They provide us with FX Blue accounts to check all trades and performance of each robot. So this is the sales page of the Link to Success copy trading robot service. And then if you scroll down, I highly recommend read all the information here. And then you can see the performance of the best monthly average gains up to the 4th of November. And you can see these incredible returns, monthly returns that they've received. Then here's the list of all the bots that are available. There are currently 102 robots available, and they're continuously adding to these to this list. You can choose your robots here, and if you click on this link of that robot signal provider, then it will take you to the FX Blue account where you can download every trade and see all the performance history of this signal provider. You can build your own Forex trading business and earn a part-time or full-time income from it. How do you get started? So, first of all, you need to join the Link to Success program. This is done by subscribing to the premium forum of Expert Forex. The price is $74 per month. The link is in the description below this video. Read the sales page and click the link at the bottom of the sales page. So this is the sales page. So after you've clicked on the link that I provided below, you'll get to this page that says Link to Success. You scroll, read all the information, and then scroll to the bottom where you'll find the link to join. You're going to join the premium forum of Expert Forex first. So you click here, join the premium forum. Then you'll come to another page with even more details about what you're signing up for. You need a PayPal account or credit card to join. So then you click here to go to the premium forum. I'm already logged in. You'll find a join page. So you join the page and then you go to here, become a premium forum member. As soon as you are a premium forum member, you get access to Link to Success copy trading system. There are 17 benefits to join the forum, and they are listed here. So here's the benefits. There's 17 benefits here. Free Udemy courses, up to 60% discount on premium robots, and much more. So there's 17 benefits here. But we're going to go to benefit number 15 for the Link to Success benefit. Under benefit 15, you must go through all the points listed. So here you can see all but go click on 15, the benefit 15, and you'll see here detailed description how to get started. with the program. After you've gone through all the instructions, you'll see here's a link to download the receiver robot. On the MetaTrader 4 platform or 5 platform, you load the trade receiver robot, load the chart, and then load the trade receiver robot. There are detailed step-for-step instructions in this forum, and here under each bullet point here you just read through that, and there's pictures and videos exactly how to get started. If you don't know how to load a MetaTrader or expert advisor robot, then there's step-by-step guide how to do it. Okay, I just want to show you how I go about doing this. So first of all, I go to the sales page, and then I decide on a signal that I want to copy. To make it easy, I'm gonna go for let me just see, because I've linked to many of these already. So I just want to see where's what can basically just for demonstration purposes. But I'm looking for pound kiwi. Wait, I'm on the wrong list here. Because I've already loaded the pound. Or doesn't have to. Okay, let's go anyone. Let's go one that's various. If it's a various signal that trades more than one currency, then you can load any chart. All you need to know is that signal number. So I'm just going to click on that. Then there you see the signal name or the signal provider. So I just copy that. Then I go to MetaTrader 4. Okay, this is MetaTrader 5. I then load any chart because it's a various. And then I've already loaded the trade receiver EA. You just drag it on here, and then you just click on allow DLL imports. You go to the input page, and here where it says sender link service name, you just copy that in there that you've copied before, and then you change the lot factor. I recommend just keeping at 1 for testing purposes in the beginning. This is a live account, but you can also start by demo trading first, and then you also change the magic number. I like to change it to today's date, and then I'll just add another 2 digits to that, and then I just click OK. And then as soon as the signal's ready or starts trading, it will, you just then wait for it to start trading. So I'm just going to click OK, click it. So nothing is happening here yet. You can see it's nothing loaded here. But as soon as it starts trading, it will start looking like that. I'll just open that, and you'll see all the links or all the markets it's trading, all the pairs it's trading. But if you want less detail, you just click on EA, then I, then you can see all the. This one you can see what it's traded so far, how much it's realized, how much is open overall. You can see there's 3 buys open, 1 sell open, and currently it's on minus 80, but overall it's on a profit of $158 already. So yes, you can see it's very easy to set up, and now you can just leave it up to the robot to trade for you. As easy as that. Okay, so this must be the easiest way to get started with trading. So here's the landing page again. So let me know if you in the comments below or email provided in the description if you get stuck. Get started today by clicking the link to success link in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.